Today I'm going to demonstrate how I've been using the Euro Oil and the scalp massager to oil my scalp and condition that. So the first thing I did, kind of woke up my scalp a little bit with this massager, and it really makes my hair poofy, but it doesn't tangle it. And then the instructions say to kind of pinpoint a few areas that really bother you, that maybe they're thinning or your scalp is compromised in some way. And so I just kind of, I'm a little thin here all the way back. And so I just put some little drops just like that. And then I just started massaging it in. And it says to do that for several minutes actually, and then you just move on to some other places. I have these little spots right here that I'm kind of receding, but I do have little teeny baby hairs coming, and so I was hoping maybe if I kept putting the Euro Oil treatment on and then kept brushing my hair with the boar bristle brush, I would be able to maybe grow some of those little patches that are thinning back out. I'm hopeful. And that is really all I did. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to wash my hair, and I will come back and let you know how that went, and we'll style it together. I'll show you how. Thanks.